It is so easy to drop $25 at a fast food restaurant. Why don't we save that money and instead build this awesome bench? Check it out. Hello again, Remodelaholics. I'm Cassidy and I'm so excited to have you back at our channel. Please be sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any of our awesome DIY projects. So the best part about today's project is it will only cost you $25. That is a steal of a deal for a whole piece of furniture for your home. Our amazing contributor Mindi from My Love to Create designed these benches after some antique French cherry wood benches that she found online, but she made them easy enough that even if you're not a pro, you can build them too. The center support gives it the perfect classic look for an entryway or a dining bench, but it also really adds some good strength to the piece. When you're ready to build this, make sure you check the description box below. There's that little triangle carrot. We will have a link to the blog post that has full printable plans that we can email you when you want to build it. You'll need just 3 boards to build this bench, a 2x3, a 2x2, and a 2x10. Grab your boards and a handful of screws, dust off that miter saw, and you're ready to build. Cut the legs, supports, and bench top according to the cut list. Pay close attention to the cut instructions to ensure that you get the right angles and the right lengths on each board. Cut 4 leg pieces, 2 leg support, 2 center support, and the bench top. Sand each of the pieces. Start by building the 2 bench legs. Mark the location of the center support. Place 2 leg pieces against a straight edge, such as another board. Use a small scrap of wood to inset the center support piece. Add a bit of glue and clamp everything together. Put 2 screws through each side into the center support. You'll want to either use self-tapping screws or pre-drill this for your screws so that you don't split the wood. Next, attach the legs to the bench top. Mark the location of the legs as listed in the plans on our site. Glue the legs in place, then pre-drill 2 holes at an angle through the inside of the legs into the bench top. Even with self-tapping screws, it's helpful to pre-drill to make sure you've got the right angle. Add the screws and you're almost done building. Add the center bench and leg supports. Mindi suggests first securing it with a nail and wood glue and then securing the support with screws. Time to add the finish. Mindi used a cool technique where she layered 2 different colors of stain and blended them together. Then she whitewashed over the stain. Finish it off with a little dry brush painting. The result is a great aged and rustic look for this awesome bench. So tell me in the comments below, do you like that aged look? But really, I think that this bench would look fabulous in any paint color, stain, or finish. Mindi did such a great job. Be sure to give her a thumbs up. Mindi was kind enough to build this bench for her daughter's dance studio, but it would make a great bench for an entryway, for a living room. But tell me, where would you use this bench in your home? Also, you can check out Mindi's channel, linked in the description box below. She also shared a really awesome, affordable to build hexagon tray, which you can check out here. And one of our favorite projects is benches. I don't know why, it's just one of those things. I probably have 10 of them in my house. So be sure to check out this playlist, Benches for Days, and we will see you next week. Bye guys.